大家好，我係嘉怡。今日真係衝出咗溫哥華嚟到多倫多啊！而我而家身處嘅位置咧就係發展商 Tridel 嘅高級住宅項目 Royal Bayview。今日呢條片咧有些少變化，因為今日嘅重點咧，我想講下設計啊。我亦都會同一位被 Tridel 主動邀請設計示範單位嘅設計師傾下偈，揾佢指教一下，順便幫大家攞下靈感。嗱，你哋千祈唔好意外喎。點解會問？你係嘉怡未起好嘅喎，但係我哋睇啲咁嘅嘢嘅，其實因為我就係要你哋成為第一批可以欣賞到呢個 unit 嘅 viewers。一入門，設計師就度身訂造呢一個流線型嘅櫃，方便大家可以擺放外套同埋鞋。呢個咁大嘅玄關位，亮點當然係呢個雲石牆同埋座位啦，完全將豪華同埋實用二合為一。連接去客廳嘅走廊，設計師加咗一啲壁燈同埋層次感。如果掛埋一啲你想珍藏嘅畫或者家庭照，唔起眼嘅走廊都變咗一個個人小畫廊。呢個2000尺多嘅單位位於多倫多萬錦市，喺一個高爾夫球場入邊，有3睡房、3洗手間。我自己就好鍾意呢個好簡潔但又好開揚嘅廚房，一路煮嘢食，一路可以望到出邊無阻擋嘅風景。由天花板嘅燈到電視後邊埲牆嘅細節，設計師都花咗唔少心思。跟住我哋睇下主人房，呢個主人房光線充足之餘，仲望到好多秋天嘅樹葉，好靚啊！咁呢個就係 walk-in closet 啦，同埋呢一個主人房嘅洗手間呢，暫時就俾我哋放咗好多雜物。第二間嘅房門呢，好特別啊，因為佢安裝咗呢一個透光嘅滑門，咁佢可以繼續引自然光入屋啦，但又唔會直接曬住，仍然保持到一個私隱，最適合呢就係 office space 啦。最後睇埋第3間房，呢間房仍然擺放到 king size bed 同埋一個套房嚟㗎。全間屋咧，我一個好欣賞嘅地方咧就係呢度啦。你知 condo 好多時咧有呢啲咁嘅 structural 柱咧係好揞眼，但係又唔拆得走嘅喎。咁點先至可以美化佢，令佢靚啲咧？即刻揾設計師出嚟傾下。
So here we are at our most favorite corner of the house because of the 360 views at the ladies golf course, right? But one of the things that was very challenging for this design element was the concrete column in the corner. And what we decided to do was create a functional aspect to this corner by cladding the corner with usable storage and shelving so that you could portray potentially your art pieces or your family portraits. But more importantly, we wanted the owners of the new unit to be able to sit here and read a book every morning or drink some tea and enjoy the light basking in through the windows. So I think Kitchen Co did a wonderful job this time to create both functionality and design.
呢個單位而家已經開放參觀同埋出售，如果你想親身嚟睇下，或者想揾 custom home consulting 嘅意見，歡迎留言俾我。而家去趕飛機啦，拜拜。